Furnace makes a humming buzzing noise. Question from user Popular Guard 7772 at hvacadvice at Reddit. Answer. A humming or buzzing noise coming from a furnace can indicate various issues. Here are some possible causes and troubleshooting steps you can take. Loose components. Check if any parts of the furnace, such as panels, screws, or ductwork, are loose. Vibrations caused by the furnace's operation can lead to buzzing sounds. Tighten any loose components securely. Blower motor issues. The blower motor is responsible for circulating air throughout the heating system. If it becomes worn out or damaged, it can produce a humming or buzzing noise. In this case, you may need to have the blower motor inspected and replaced by a qualified HVAC technician. Fan or motor bearings. Over time, the bearings in the fan or motor can wear out, causing them to make noise. Lubricating the bearings might solve the issue temporarily, but if the problem persists, it's advisable to have a professional inspect and replace the worn-out bearings. Electrical problems. Faulty electrical connections can lead to buzzing noises. Ensure that all electrical connections are secure and undamaged. If you suspect an electrical issue, it's crucial to have an HVAC technician examine the furnace to avoid any potential safety hazards. Gas valve issues. If you have a gas furnace, a buzzing noise could indicate a problem with the gas valve or regulator. In this case, it's crucial to contact a professional immediately, as gas-related issues require specialized attention to ensure safety. Ductwork vibrations. Vibrations from the furnace can cause the ductwork to vibrate, resulting in buzzing sounds. Inspect the ducts for loose or disconnected sections and secure them properly. You can use metal braces or duct tape to reinforce any loose connections. Remember, when dealing with furnace issues, it's generally recommended to consult a qualified HVAC technician for a thorough inspection and appropriate repairs. They have the expertise to diagnose the problem accurately and ensure the safety of your heating system.